Ever since we first looked up at the stars, we've tried to understand our world. We think of science as a series of lone geniuses having wow moments. Einstein, Newton, Galileo. But what if the real story, the one that truly changed everything, isn't about lone wolves, but about unexpected connections? What if the greatest breakthroughs happened not in isolation, but in the spaces between cultures, disciplines, and even enemies? This is the story of the forgotten bridges of science. Imagine the world 1,000 years ago. While much of Europe was navigating the Dark Ages, a brilliant mind in Cairo was fundamentally changing how we see. His name was Ibn al-Haytham. He wasn't just another scholar. He was the father of modern optics. Through meticulous experiments with light, lenses, and the mechanics of the human eye, he wrote the Book of Optics. This masterpiece didn't just sit on a shelf. It traveled across continents and centuries, translating ancient Greek knowledge into a language that would eventually inspire figures like Roger Bacon and Leonardo da Vinci. He built a bridge of light from the Islamic Golden Age directly to the European Renaissance, proving that knowledge has no borders. His quiet work, done centuries before Newton, is the reason you're able to see this video clearly today. Fast forward to the 1950s. The race to unlock the secret of life is on. In a London lab, a chemist named Rosalind Franklin is using X-ray crystallography to capture images of DNA. Her work is painstaking, precise, and brilliant. She produces Photo 51, a breathtakingly clear image revealing the molecule's helical structure. It's the missing piece of the puzzle, but her story takes a turn. Without her knowledge, her image is shown to two other scientists, Watson and Crick, who use it to build their now famous double helix model. They win the Nobel Prize. She is largely forgotten, passing away before she could receive the recognition she deserved. Rosalind Franklin was the bridge between chemistry and biology, a quiet hero whose foundational work made modern genetics and medicine possible. Her legacy reminds us that sometimes the most important contributions aren't the loudest. Now, picture the height of the Cold War. The world is divided, teetering on the brink of nuclear annihilation. The US and the USSR are sworn enemies locked in a bitter ideological struggle. Yet, something extraordinary is happening behind the scenes. While politicians postured, American and Soviet scientists were secretly collaborating. They shared data on a new, looming threat, climate change. They met in secret, exchanged research, and built climate models together, risking their careers and their freedom. They chose scientific truth over political allegiance, building a bridge of trust across the Iron Curtain to protect our shared planet. Their collaboration laid the groundwork for the international climate science we rely on today, a powerful testament that our common humanity is stronger than any division. From Ibn al-Haytham connecting ancient and modern worlds, to Rosalind Franklin bridging chemistry and biology, to Cold War scientists uniting for our planet, the story of science is a story of connection. Today, that legacy continues in the International Space Station, in global vaccine efforts, and in open-source projects where scientists from all over the world share their work freely. These unsung heroes teach us a vital lesson. Science moves fast, but it only truly moves forward when we move together. Thank you so much for watching. If this story inspired you, please hit that like button and subscribe for more hidden histories. And I have to ask, who is an unsung hero of science that you admire? Let me know in the comments below. See you next time.